Hey, this is my look for today and I'm completely loving it. It's kind of, chic, stylish and bossy look, isn't it? Okay, I'm quite ready. I still need to apply my lipstick or lip gloss. Then we'll see. I need to wear my watch. But this is what my complete look for today. And I'm just completely loving it. I'm enjoying wearing this beautiful outfit. It's so comfy, so stylish. Let me know in my comment section, how did you find this look? Okay, I'm getting late. I need to go. Okay, मुझे लगा कि मुझे earring भी change करना चाहिए, so I'm gonna wear this one. I think ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. So let me try this one. छोटा सा ही है, but it's quite classy और ये look के साथ काफ़ी I think match हो रहा है. What do you think, guys? Let me know. आज मैं लगा रही हूँ this one Gucci Bamboo का perfume. It's one of my favorite perfume, Gucci Bamboo. इसका smell जो fragrance है, it's super good, super good. I mean इतना fresh feel होता है ना, और इसका fragrance बहुत ही अच्छा है. It's quite different, light है, but it's very different है. Now I am ready and मैं इसके साथ ये boots पहनने वाली हूँ. So let me wear it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Seema, your friendly software engineer who shares all the behind the scenes realities of this crazy but rewarding life. Today I'm spilling the tea on the 3 things I wish I knew before becoming a software engineer. And trust me, it's not all code and coffee, though coffee helps. Although there are more than 3 things I want to share with you, but in this video we will focus on just 3. The rest I will share another time. तो कहानी ये है कि कॉलेज के दिनों में मुझे लगता था कि सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनने का मतलब बस कूल कोड लिखना और हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रोग्राम्स को प्रो की तरह फ्लेक्स करना है. लेकिन अंदाज़ा लगाओ क्या हुआ. ये ऐसा है जैसे तुम्हें एक फरारी की चाबी दी जाए और फिर पता चले कि तुम्हें इसका इंजन भी बनाना आना चाहिए. ये सिर्फ कोडिंग नहीं है, इसमें डिबगिंग, टेस्टिंग और अरे मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट वो मीटिंग्स भी शामिल है जो ईमेल में निपटाई जा सकती थी. एंड लेट्स नॉट फॉरगेट कम्युनिकेशन. You could write the cleanest code, but if you can't explain it to your team without sounding like you are speaking a foreign language, you are in trouble. So my advice, brush up on those soft skills. Get used to asking questions, giving feedback and collaborating. It's not just about being the best coder, it's about being the best team player. Not every project is going to be groundbreaking. हम सोचते हैं कि मैं साई-फाई मूवी की तरह कोई फ्यूचरिस्टिक AI प्रोजेक्ट्स पर काम करूंगी, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि कभी-कभी तो बस फॉरगेट पासवर्ड फंक्शन अपडेट करना पड़ता है. You will face bugs that make you question everything, old code that's hard to understand, and times when you are endlessly searching for that missing 404 error. But here's the thing, it's all part of the journey. The frustrating and boring tasks, they teach you patience, resilience, and how to keep calm when things go wrong. So don't worry if your project doesn't feel like it's changing the world. Trust me, you are learning important skills with every step you take. Yeah, so Gayatri, for that theme one, actually I even discussed with Hari, but to make it as a globally or as a generic one, we would need the
Lastly,
code.
let's talk about something that doesn't get enough credit, networking. पहले मुझे लगता था कि सिर्फ एक अच्छा कोडर बना ही काफ़ी है, लेकिन जल्द ही मुझे समझ में आ गया कि आप किसे जानते हो ये भी उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है जितना कि आप क्या जानते हो. Opportunities, job offers, collaborations, they often come from connections, not just applications. So attend meetups, join online communities, connect on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. You never know when a casual chat could turn into your next big opportunity. Networking is not just about using people, it's about building genuine relationships that can help you and others grow. So there you have it, folks. 3 things I wish I knew before diving headfirst into software engineering. It's a wild ride with ups, downs, and plenty of what I'm doing moments, but it's worth every bit. If you resonated with anything I said, or if you just enjoyed my bug battles, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. And hey, let's keep the conversation going. What's something you wish you knew before starting out? Drop it down below and let's learn, grow, and maybe even laugh together. So my office work is done for the day and now it's time to head home. I have a lot planned for the rest of the day which you will see later in the video. So stay tuned.
So मैं अभी थोड़ा सा ग्रॉसरी शॉपिंग के लिए हम लोग बस जा ही रहे थे कि मेरा पार्सल आ गया, डिलीवरी वाला आ गया बॉय, तो जल्दी से इसको खोल लेते हैं. चिपका है पूरा. इतने बड़े पैकेट में निकला इतना छोटा सा. एंड ये है H&M का बो, वाइट बो. I think this is cute, huh? Yeah, nice. I loved it.
टिकट चेक ही नहीं किया.
टिकट ही नहीं चेक की.
मस्त.
कौन है?
टिकट तो यहाँ आ जाएंगे सुबह सुबह.